Hi everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals, come to you live from Vietnam. Howdy, howdy, good morning, happy Monday out there. And guys and gals, it is like 6 a.m. here in Vietnam land. So I just thought I'd bring this quickie update, let you know what's going on with Dogecoin, rest of the markets, and let's dive into it. Looks like Gary Gensler, SEC, is going nuts again. So we're going to be talking about that as well. So it's a great time to be alive. Let's jump right into it, guys. Go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. Don't forget to go and smash the likes and subscribe. It only takes a second of your time, guys. Go down there, show some love. Check out all the linkage, guys. And if you got some free Dogecoin dust, send it my way. I appreciate it. None of this is financial advice, just OG in the house. So we did see the U.S. markets. The U.S. markets did phenomenally well despite crypto being in the toilet, and a lot of that has to do with the fact that the tech stock earnings are over, and but the Dow is going crazy, and a lot of that has to do with the fact that we might be seeing some rate cuts coming in. So that's kind of interesting. So we're seeing tech stock earnings are basically done. That is pretty good. Also, Jim Cramer came out and says, Jim Cramer says the sell-off may be over, pointing to corrections in big tech. So yeah, let's see. So hopefully, Jerome Powell will be more dovish, and we could see hopes of interest rates going down. So that would be very, very good news if that happens. In terms of U.S. announcements today on the 7th, nothing really much to talk about. Our really big announcement is the CPI data that should be coming out here. CPI data on the 14th. So that's a big news. In terms of Bitcoin returns, are still up 4.35%. Not too shabby. Fear and greed is at 71 right now. So that is good. Yeah, I remember before we were like in the dumpskis below 50. So looking pretty good. We're seeing that most of crypto markets are down right now, giving up 1 to 2% across the board. So that is not good, with the exception of Solana. Wow. Crypto bubbles, pretty much the same picture. A lot of negativity out there. Looks like WIF is still up. Bonk is down. The Dogecoin is down as well. So we're seeing a lot of the meme coins right now are not looking too good. You guys can see here that, look, most of the meme coins are down right now. Our total market cap for meme coins are down like 1.38%. That's $53 billion in market cap. So everything is down except Dog WIF. The float's down. Bonk is down. And I'm going to be talking to you about an article. And this article kind of talks about how could the meme coin season be over? Are people moving to Bitcoin and other crypto? Is that it? Is we're going to see a huge dumpski for the meme coins? So we'll talk about that in a second. Hold on to the stocks, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Overall, we're seeing the markets are down. Bitcoin is down at 63.2. Ethereum is down. BNB is down. Solana's up. Thank goodness for that. That is pretty good. XRP is up as well. Doge, again, is below 16 cents. Cardano is down. SHIB is still hitting that resistance at 24, and it just got knocked out again. So that is what it is. Yeah, Bitcoin's still in this bull flag formation. We're still seeing and predicting over 100K coming in. So that is good news. That is good news, guys. I'm tired. OG brain pan is still not waking up. I haven't had my coffee. I got my Dogecoin, but I have not had my coffee yet. So sorry, brain pan not ticking. But guys, in case you guys understand this, we could be seeing that Bitcoin could be ranged bound between where we are now, 63 and 64,000. We just have the CME gap that just got filled, guys. So again, the gap CME futures is between 63.6 and 64.125. Again, price does not go up or down in a straight line. Yeah, you're going to have some peaks and some valleys, right? Once that's said, the gap that has been printed between these areas, these gaps tend to get filled, not guaranteed. So there's a good chance that BTC will, revisit this area before we resume the pump, guys. So that's kind of what's happening. Good news, looks like Bitcoin whales have accumulated 47,000 Bitcoin in the past 24 hours, guys. We're entering a new era, and a lot of that has to do with institutional adoption of Bitcoin. So that is pretty good. We're seeing that the Hong Kong Bitcoin ETFs are looking better now. Total amount of holdings is 4,388 Bitcoin, and that is a change. It picked up 170 Bitcoin, so that's not too bad. You can see here the net flow for the Hong Kong ETF is positive, but if you look at the U.S. Flows, In terms of Bitcoin, the net flows are still positive as well. So that's pretty good. So hopefully that will help pump up the Bitcoin, and things will go up, guys. So you can see here, this is a previous all-time high right here, and you can see Bitcoin is targeting its previous all-time high. It's just a matter of time before BTC breaks a previous all-time high decisively. From the Bollinger Band perspective, Bitcoin has just pulled back to the centerline 2 year cycle, right? So like 2 cycles ago. So we just pulled back to the centerline here, previous all-time high. We're about to retest that, and we will get past that decisively. And yeah, there's no bear market in the horizon. There's going to be peaks. There's going to be valleys. Be prepared for that, guys. Looks like Gary's going nuts again. Looks like SEC out of control. Just in, SEC files lawsuit against Robinhood crypto business, issuing Wells notice to the company. What's going on with Gary? I think he's a turd. Okay, so what's happening in crypto today? People are probably wondering. Happy Monday, guys. Basically, Bitcoin friendly block Inc. Plans to raise 1.5 billion. So Jack Dorsey has unveiled plans to raise billions of dollars from institutional investors. According to a May 6th announcement, the fintech company plans to issue 1.5 billion in senior notes through private placement targeting pension funds and banks, mutual funds, and high net worth individuals. So these big 3 credit rating agencies, Fitch Ratings said Block is well positioned to capitalize on secular growth in payments area. So that's kind of interesting. Looks like also we had a wallet that's 10 years old that is back to the Satoshi area, wakes up. And they had $43.9 million worth of Bitcoin, or 787 Bitcoin, got transferred to 2 different wallets. So they're waking up, guys. So that's kind of interesting out there. Bitcoin reaches over 1 billion transactions. That is pretty good. So the Bitcoin network has processed its 1 billionth transaction, making a huge milestone moment for the network 15 years after its creation. So that is pretty good. That happened on May 5th. So things are happening. No big news other than the Gary Gensler stuff. Meme coin sell-off as Bitcoin price targets the spotlight. Is meme coin season over? So as we all know, meme coins are underperforming Bitcoin today, which could be a sign that traders will pay more attention to Bitcoin post-halving recovery. So has the bottom fallen out of meme coins? I don't know, but May 6 highlighting the diversion from the momentum that drove sector higher last week. Data from CoinGecko shows that the total market capitalization of meme coins has dropped in the last 24 hours, guys. Bonk declined 6%. We're seeing a lot of meme coins going down, down. I still think that meme coin season is still hot. People are still loving the meme coins out there. It's just an anomaly, right? Just an anomaly. But you want to have a diversified portfolio. Don't put everything in meme coins. You will regret it out there. I was seeing that Ethereum is down as well, but it is now trading at $3,000. We got some really good support around about 2,900. So I'm not too worried, guys. Don't forget, if you love your privacy and you want your crypto safe, get a NANO Leger hardware wallet. Links down there. It doesn't cost you more, but you can be safe, and it supports the channel a little bit. Get a little bit of commish out there. As we see, most of the meme coin tokens are down today as well. So that's what's happening. Dogecoin. What happened to Dogecoin? Well, Dogecoin is down. It's down about 2%. It's at 15.7 out there. So we're still holding 15 out there. Not too shabby. We're seeing that 83% of Dogecoin holders are in the money right now. So that is not too bad. The only real big news for Dogecoin is that Elon Musk Tesla adds Dogecoin payments on its website. Is X next? Yeah, I think we're going to get the payment integration on X pretty soon. So basically, they updated their payment information on Tesla. As we talked about, that's really what's going on for Doge. Nothing really big news-wise. Some people posting this and that, but there's no real big news out there for Doge right now. People are still talking about X payment, the next stop for Doge. It's going to happen, but it's not going to be like. If it's going to happen, it'll be like in September, guys. So that's what I'm thinking. We can confirm that the Dogecoin bottom was in around about 12 cents. That is pretty good. As you guys can see, every time we hit this bottom, we have a nice peak here. I still think that we are still the peak is still incoming, and I think that peak is going to be about 20 cents. As you can see with these peaks, we go up, we come down, we go up, we come down. So I think we're going to continue up, guys. We're going to continue up. It also really depends on on the whole crypto market right now. So Dogecoin cycle explanation. As you can see, Dogecoin has these cycles. We've talked about these here and in infinitum, right? So we have these cycles. We go down, we hit the support here, then we have this like pre-run rally. We go above the support, and then we have this level 2 that we break out, right? So we're kind of breaking out of that, and it's just a matter of time, guys. These cycles have been repeating time and time again, guys. So will Doge pump like crazy in 2024? Comment. Remember, in 2020, Doge was up 194,000. 2021, 700,000 for the SHIB, 6,000 for Pepe. Bonk has been up 25,000% in 2023. Who's going to be the next crazy coin, guys? Who knows? Who knows? Could it be Doge will do a huge run? Maybe. Live long and prosper. Happy Monday, everybody. I appreciate it. To the moon, guys. I believe in Doge. You should believe in Doge, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. Don't forget, Doge is repeating the chart pattern on a weekly time frame. And we talked about this. This is what you guys need to understand, that we are right here in this whole cycle. And if we look at these fractals, we're definitely going to be pumpity pump. We may not hit our peak till 2025, but now is a good time to accumulate the Doge, guys. So I just want to say God bless everyone. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. I appreciate it. I'm going to go get some coffee because the OG need to wake up. I'm sleepy. I love you guys. Peace out.